It's mine, the music I'm doing, say no be by mouth, I got designer. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you away. I really like it. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you away. I really like it. It's Kelly Kume on the beat.
Piano on the mix.
Drive you crazy. Now the kind of craze gon' make you want to jolly. The rhythm is fine, oh. The destiny is mine, oh. Papa God inspired the singing I'm bringing that's making you whine, oh. The rhythm is fine, oh. Destiny is mine, oh. The music I'm doing, say no be my mouth, now God designer. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you away. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you away. Just wanna let you know, the music that fills my soul, they're making me wanna explode. Just come with me, let's go there. Just wanna let you know, the music that fills my soul, they're making me wanna explode. Just come with me, let's go there. From the night to London, they feel the song, cause I'm killing the beat and give you the heat. The rhythm is fine, the destiny is mine. Papa God inspired the singing I'm bringing that's making you whine. The rhythm is fine, destiny is mine. The music I'm doing, say no be my mouth, now God designer. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you up. And it's mine, the music I'm doing, say no be my mouth, now God designer. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you up. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you away. It's Kelly Kume on the beat.
Piano on the mix.
Drive you crazy. Now the kind of craze gon' make you want to jolly. The rhythm is fine, the destiny is mine. Papa God inspired the singing I'm bringing that's making you whine. The rhythm is fine, destiny is mine. The music I'm doing, say no be my mouth, now God designer. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, then you know my song will blow you away. If you're feeling the way I'm grooving, oh, I like it, fine. Destiny is mine. The music I'm doing say no be by mouth, na God design.
Hi guys, hi YouTube, hi love viewers, welcome to the TV channel. I want to welcome all my new and old subscribers to my channel. God bless you for coming. Please guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you guys. So today's video is about this beautiful coils, and I use my coil formers to get these coils, as you can see. So for this side, as you see the video, for this side I use this type. Just wanted to show you guys the two different coils you can get. If you want to stretch your hair naturally, you use this, you will get this. You can see it. This is real stretching of your hair natural. While here you want to get the coils, you use this one. This one is like deep wave, or just if you have curly hair, when you use this you will get those wavy ones. You can see the difference. This one I use these coils, this coil former, this type, this coily one. While this part I use this. So it depends this type you are going for the coils. So you judge and think what you want to, the coils you are going for. So guys, I've finished. You can get these coil formers from eBay, from Amazon, even from AliExpress. So go and try it out and let me know what you think about the coil formers. Yes, I love these coils. These coils can last you for 2 or 3 days. Because when I did it before, I used this coiling one and it lasted for 2-3 days. Depends how you sleep. While this one, you can see it is already stretched. You can see it. The coils, this is it. The coils is like this. There's difference. Guys, if you want to stretch your hair, it's better to use this part, this type that I use on this part. So guys, that is it.
Just wanna let you know, the music that fills my soul, they're making me wanna explode. Just come with me, let's go there. Just wanna let you know, the music that fills my soul, they're making me wanna explode. Just come with me, let's go. From the night to London, we feeling the song, 'cause I'm killing the beat and give you the heat.